Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Prosper. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you an honest review of CalendarHero. I'm going to be walking you through some of the features of CalendarHero and what you start to gain and what you can achieve when you use CalendarHero for your booking, your appointments, and your scheduling and what have you. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you are new to this video, and if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe to the channel. So go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much if you have just subscribed. I really appreciate. All right, so with that, now let's get into the video. Let's head over to CalendarHero website. All right, so right now I'm currently on CalendarHero. So to come over to this page, you can use the link on the screen, or you also find it in the description of this video. All right, so now we're on CalendarHero. Like you can see here, schedule every meeting faster. Okay, so one thing you can see from the home page that it's looking very clean and very simple, and you scroll it straight down, you see that it's very easy to navigate, not too much distraction and the likes. Okay, so you can see smart scheduling software for modern business. Meeting takes time, but scheduling shouldn't. Okay, it's a very short word. People take time to prepare for a meeting. Scheduling shouldn't take time. You shouldn't waste too much time for people to be able to schedule a meeting with you, and that's where CalendarHero comes very handy. And this, so in terms of the features, you can see all your video meetings simplified. So you can see it has Zoom. So if you are looking forward to host a meeting or an event and then you want to do it via Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, Microsoft Team, GoToMeeting, you can see it has all your video meetings, apps, and software. You can use them within CalendarHero. Okay, so the smart way to get the smart way to schedule meetings and get more faster. So these are some of the features there. We are still going to take a look at it. Attendee insights, automated scheduling, powerful integrations. Okay, so we are still going to look at the features separately, but let's just look at some of the things that it offers. All right, so for recruiters, so if you are a recruiter and you are looking forward to conduct an online interview, then you can also consider CalendarHero. You can see CalendarHero for recruiters, and then also for sales team. Okay, smart meeting feature to effectively capture leads. So you can also use CalendarHero for sales, and then you can see that they also have good reviews from other businesses that also make use of their services. You can see they also have some recognitions and award, which makes them come highly recommendable. So you can see some other softwares that you can see they have over 60 plus integrations. We are still going to be looking at this in the course of this video. So Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Drive, HubSpot, these are software that every scheduling platform should have, even though some of them don't have up to that, but they have over 60 plus, and that means they're still adding more to it. Okay, and then because you can get started with a free trial. You can see 14 days, no credit card required, and this is a great one. You don't need to, unlike some other services provider that are also providing something similar, you need to put in your credit card, which is not advisable. Okay, if you are providing a 14 days free trial, the 14 days free trial should come with no credit card, so that at the end of the 14 days, if at all you didn't renew, then you can just be sent to, you can just be downgraded instead of be debited for something that you might not want to use. So which is something that you might also want to try out. Okay, CalendarHero. All right, so now let's look at some of the features that it offers. Okay, so lightning fast, intelligent meeting scheduling without the back and forth. Okay, personally, one thing I like about it is that the interface is pretty much straightforward, very easy. Don't worry, I'm still going to be doing a separate video where I'll be explaining how to sign up and how to create some of those meetings and those bookings and the likes within the platform. So you can see more than just finding a time, automated scheduling, you can do a custom meeting type, and then smart time settings. You can have unlimited calendar, so you can synchronize your calendar either from Google, from Outlook, from Microsoft Office. You can also do that. Then automated reminder, reduce no-shows and keep meetings top of mind with reminders and notification for your attendees. Okay, so maybe your clients or your customers or your attendees, so you can set up an automatic reminder that will be sending them reminder maybe 24 hours before the event, 6 hours before the event, 1 hour before the event. All this can be set up within CalendarHero. Okay, so keep track of your upcoming meetings with daily briefing and attendee insights. Okay, so add your CRM or ATS for all of this. So these are some of the features that every every scheduling software to have. You also find it here within CalendarHero. And don't worry, I'm still going to give you another important reason why you might also want to consider CalendarHero. So you can see inviting questions. You can also embed it on your website. Okay, so you can create a meeting within CalendarHero and have it embedded in your website. You can also use it to accept payments. You can also use it to do paid meeting or paid service. So if you also offer a service and you want people to also book for your service, you can also work around CalendarHero to make use of it. You can see it has over 60 plus integrations and every other features that you can see listed here. Okay, so now let's take a look at some of those integrations in particular. Okay, so you can see they just added some integration. You can see recently added, and then if you scroll down in terms of video conferencing, we have Zoom, Webex, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Join Me, Avaya Spaces, GoToMeeting, Skype, Vectera, Ring, etc. You can see in terms of calendar, Google Calendar is available, Microsoft Office 360, Apple iCloud. So you can see these are the major ones that you will definitely make use of. In terms of chat and social, we have Slack, Skype, Webex meeting, SMS. You can also use SMS to send them your invitee a reminder and the likes. So if you need connect your files to generate standard documents and find information automatically. So you can do that with Dropbox, with Box, with Microsoft SharePoint. Okay. So in terms of ATS, so these are the ones available. Greenhouse, Breezy HR, Workable, Zoho Recruit. And then for CRM, HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Close, Insightly, Active Campaign, MailChimp, Fresh Sales, Salesflare, and the like. So these are some of the integrations that they support. Okay, so in terms of support Zendex, so you can see they have a whole lot of support system that you can make use of just to make sure that you have the best experience when it comes to booking and scheduling. Okay, so now one other thing, like I said, that I really like about it, with all the features that it has a good pricing. Okay, so if you look at the pricing and if you compare it with some other booking and scheduling software that is offering the same kind of features and integration, you see that their prices is a little lesser than others. You can see for as low as $8 per month. So don't forget, you also get the free forever. You can see this, there's also a free plan that you can use for life. Okay, but if you look at the professional team, that's like $8 per month. Then the one that goes higher for team is about $12 per month. Okay, which is some dollar less than some other ones that you find out there. So if you are looking at the features that you get with some of these pricing plan, talking about the free, the professional, and the team, you can see it from this chart here, calendar integration. You can get it across others, artificial intelligence. Now, this artificial intelligence is once you are creating an event or a booking slot within course CalendarHero. I wanted to mention Coursera. Okay. So once you are creating a booking system within this CalendarHero, there's an artificial intelligence that makes it easy for you to create some certain part of it, maybe like your description. Okay, so which is a plus for me. Then standard meeting types, it's available across all three plans. So if you scroll down, you'll be seeing all other features that you can get. It meeting selection one-on-one, internal group meeting, internal and external group. So you can see it there. In terms of integrations, you can find integration for all of this including the free plan. Okay, so you will also get a lot with the free plan, even though the professional plan comes very affordable at $8 per month. Trust me, this is very affordable. Okay, for $8, and then the team is for $12. So if you scroll down, let's look at their frequently asked question. So if you are wondering that which plan should you go for, so you can see here there's a short description. If you're an individual, professional, and not part of a team, then we recommend choosing the professional plan. Okay, so if you are just a solopreneur or you're just the only one, then the professional plan is okay. If you plan on automatically sharing your availability with your co-workers and scheduling meeting on their behalf, then you need the team plan. Okay, if you're an IT and want to manage and monitor the usage of employee using CalendarHero, then you will also need the team plan. Okay, so this is a guide for you to know which of the plans that you should go for. Okay, so here is another question that you might be wondering if there is a setup fee. So with CalendarHero, there is no setup fee. So you can see no setup fee, no cancellation fee. Okay. So what happened at the end of your 14 days trial? So at the end of your 14, okay, when your 14 days trial has ended, you will automatically downgrade to basic free. That's the free plan. Okay, and then you can upgrade to either the professional or the team plan at any point during your free trial. Okay, so can I cancel anytime? Definitely with CalendarHero, you can cancel at any time. Do you store credit card information? Your credit card information is powered by Stripe. Okay, so it's Stripe that is handling the payments system for them. So your credit card information is actually safe. Okay. So talking about payment method, is you can see here we accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express card. Invoice and purchase order can be used for larger transaction on the team plan. So if you're handling larger transaction, then you can also use the invoice that's available on the team plan. Okay. So if you also run a non-profit organization, you can also apply and get a discount. You can see here, do you have a discount for non-profit organization? So you can just talk to their sales team to learn more about our special offers for registered charities and non-profits. Okay. So if you're an NGO and then you want to consider using a scheduling system or a scheduling software, then do consider CalendarHero and then message their sales team for some discounts that you're going to get as an NGO. All right. So in terms of currency that you'll be building US dollars. So you can just take note of that. And if you're also, using other currency, you don't need to worry. They are just going to bill you appropriately with respect to your currency and converting it to USD. Okay. So generally, if you are considering CalendarHero, it's a good one. Okay. Considering the pricing, considering the integrations that they have, and the site is very easy to navigate. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up, how to create some of those meetings, how to create some of those services so that your client or your customers can easily you can easily share your link to them so that they can come over to your link, which is the CalendarHero, and then they can book an appointment. And I'll also show you what it looks like, the kind of emails you're going to receive as the service provider, and then every other thing that has to do with CalendarHero. So I hope you find this video very informative and insightful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to get started immediately with CalendarHero, you can just come over here. You can use the link in the description of this video to come over here and then click on the start your free trial. Okay. So like I said, in the free trial, you get access to all the professional features, okay, for the first 14 days, so that you can just test the feature and see, yes, if CalendarHero is right for you. And if you want to see the complete tutorial on CalendarHero, I'll leave a link to it in the description of the video so that you can also check it out, where I'm going to be walking you through everything about CalendarHero. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of product or what kind of business or services are you offering and you want to use CalendarHero for. Okay, so let me know in the comment section of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find value. If you do, again, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly click on that subscribe button to subscribe. Please kindly click on that subscribe button right now. All right, so thank you very much for doing that. With that, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.